Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Shohihuzzihni. I'm from English Literature Department, and today I would like to give you a tutorial or guidelines of how to make letter of congratulations. So this video is made to fulfill the final exam from the course of Professional English 2. And here we go. Yeah, and here I make you a PPT or a presentations in order to make it understandable. So first thing first, we have to understand what is letter of congratulations. From its name, we know that red letter of congratulations refers to a message or a formal message in which you congratulate someone for a notable achievement. So when your friends got achievements such as graduating from university, getting a promotion in job, you can make a congratulations for him or for her in a formal way through letter of congratulations. Very important highlight in this letter of congratulations is understanding the components and the structures of the letter. The first one is headings. Headings in the letter can be written in many ways, but in this opportunity, I'm going to show you the very simplest way to write the headings, which write sender, receiver, address, subject, and many others. And the second one is the salutations. Salutations in the letter can be written as dear, for example, dear Ria, and many others. And the third one is the opening paragraph. It is the bridging for you to body paragraph which included in the congratulation expressions. In this example, I recently know that you have won speech competitions and many others. The fourth is body of paragraph, and this is the main point or the main purpose of letter of congratulations, where you express your expressions toward your friends who just got achievements. With the example, congratulations on this well-deserved job promotions, and this is contextually in job job realm. And the fifth is closing paragraph. So it is the closing. There are many ways, such as you pray for him for a better life or many others. Example, I'm really blessed to have a friend like you and good luck for your future journey. And the sixth is the last components or structures, which is closing and sign off. Closing can be expressed through sincerely yours and many others, and sign off you can write your name as a sender. And now I'm going to show you how to make a letter of congratulations. It's super easy for you to make as long as you know the structures and the components. The first one is you write the headings. As I said, you just need to include the receiver. Okay, receiver can be written in two. Okay, and write the names of receiver. For example, the name is Udin. And write the senders. The sender is who sent the letter. For example, the name is Ucok. Okay, what you need to be attention on it is also the justified. You have to make the letter justify. Okay. Then here you write the address of the receiver. For example, the address is in Kota Gede, Yogyakarta, DI, Daerah Istimewa, Yogyakarta. If there is a post number, you can write the post number here. Okay. And then you can write the subject of the letter. For example, the subject in here is letter of congratulations. So just write letter of congratulations. Or you can take up this, or you don't write this. Is very okay as well. Okay, next we give salutations by saying dear. For example, dear, who's the receiver? The receiver is Udin. So dear Udin. Next one is the opening paragraph. So you open the paragraph or your congratulations to your friends by saying many ways. I give you one example. For example, how are you, dear? How are you there? Yeah, you can say this to open your expressions or to open your discussion on the letter. How are you there? I heard you have just been accepted in the international advertisement company. I heard you have just been accepted in the international advertisement company. So it is the opening paragraph that shows that there is a good news. There is a good news from you that needs to be appreciated. Okay, you can continue again. Actually, I believe it is your pay for the hard work. Yeah, it is super simple. And then you go to the body paragraph, which you express the congratulations to your friends. For this, for example, or you can directly say, I really, yeah, you can say to emphasize, you can say really, I really congratulate, or strongly, extremely, it's up to you. I really congratulate for your achievement. It is very blessing for you and family. Okay, done. This is the body paragraph where you congratulate your friends. Remember, there are a lot of various letters. It is a short versions, but you can write in the long versions. I just want to show you the example of the structures of the letter of paragraph. And the next one, you can add another expression such as okay, your hopes or your wish to him. Hopefully you hopefully you experience a new realm of work environment, for example. Then you can close your letter through closing paragraph. You can write many ways, you can write many things here to close your discussion in the letter, but I'm going to show you one example. I wish I could meet you soon to talk about many of your experience and story. Okay, this is super easy ways to close your letter through some wishes. Yeah, you wish I could meet you soon to talk about many of your experience and story. You can also add some expressions again. For example, I really thank for your inspired story or inspired, yeah, story or motivations, inspired motivation of life. Okay, and then you give the last part of the letter, which is closing and sign off. Closing usually can be written through sincerely yours. And here you write your name as a sender. Here the sender is Ucok. Here it is done for you to make letter of congratulations. You can practice it to your friends who just got promotions, just got some achievement from competitions, graduations, marriage, for example, and many others. Hopefully, this video is helpful, and I really wish there is some feedback and also suggestion for these steps or tutorial. Thank you so much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.